Hi guys, welcome again. We're quickly doing this one because since I did the city badges, I got emails, you guessed it mate. Can you do Manchester United, blah blah blah. So yeah, quickly, we'll go through the Man United badge, but I'm going to again quickly go through this vet trick that people's been saying, oh, you can do it by computer, you can do it like remotely, and I'll just give you an indication on what happens when you do that. There's always shortcuts, but it's not as good as manual. So again, we'll start off usual. We'll import and I'll show you example. Let's open this one. Now then, that looks alright, but can you, if you look, the little fork's okay. Nice tight angles, but look at the S. Look at the S, guys. What? If we go into edit mode, loads of right angles there, which is not enough. So again, what you can do, which a lot of people's been doing, is if we go to all, convert to curves, Bezier curves, that'll sort it, guys. Maybe a little bit better, not a lot. But what tends to happen is it'll round these corners off. So you'll be okay on some of the stuff, but it then starts to, like for me, if you look at that to that, that's not level. I know to most people you'll go, well, it's doable. Like example here now, look at those, look at that. Yeah. Now, that to me, yeah, it's got to be right. We'll mess around with that. And again, that's the difference between a good cut and a crappy cut. So after many hours, we'll get rid of that. And this is what we've got for you United fans. Import vectors, get rid of that. Which, you look at the S, all smooth, all C's okay. The fork, that's still not right, I'll sort that out. But if you have a look, not too bad. Get rid of a few of those. So what I'll do is I'll be getting rid of a few of these. See again, mate, if you look, yeah, that's not quite right. Yeah, that is. So it's little things that matter. Stretch that up a bit. So that's kind of done. Again, need to straighten that. Straighten that. Straighten that. So, as you can see, it's attention to detail. You'll get, again, if I look at this, it's not quite right. It's each to their own. And it's just that I just do the best that obviously I can with the editing. Yeah, and I just want it to be right. So I'll just quickly go through this, guys, and then we'll come back with cutting the badge, and we'll see how this turns out. Cheers, guys.